Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can finance your house flipping business if you do not have the required capital. Before we start, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click the bell icon to be notified for future videos. Flipping houses involves buying a property, renovating it, and selling it for a profit. House flippers take homes that most home buyers aren't willing to renovate and improve them to the point where they meet buyer demand. The data provider believes that flippers make a decent amount of money. The typical gross flipping profit in the second sector, which doesn't include the flipper's renovation costs, operating expenses, property taxes, and sales costs, was nearly $63,000, or about 40% of the original price paid for the home. So if you flip 4 houses in 1 year, that's around $250,000. There are various steps involved in the house flipping business. You have to research a range of real estate markets and set a budget and business plan after lining the expenses beforehand. You have to start networking with the contractors to find a suitable house to flip. When you buy the house, you have to invest the time to renovate it and meet the buyer's expectations. The final step is selling, which is the simplest of all. Always remember that flipping homes is a team sport. Never stop building your professional network. In this video, I will give you 4 options you can use to finance your house flipping business if you do not have the required startup capital. Let's start with option for people with good credit score. The number 1 option for people with good credit score is the business line of credit. This option is good for people that do not have any proof of income. You're required to have a registered business when applying for the business line of credit. You are also required to have a good credit score, at least 680 plus. You can qualify for up to $150K business line of credit with 0% interest rate for the first year, which gives you the time to flip the house before they start counting the interest. I placed a link in the description below for people looking to apply for a business line of credit. The number 2 option for people with good credit is the term loan. With this option, you don't even need to have a business to apply. The main requirement is your credit score and your income. You need to have a minimum of 680 credit score, and you need to provide proof of income. Documents that can be used as proof of income include your W-2s, your tax returns, or your pay stubs. You can qualify for up to $300,000. This option also allows you to use a cosigner in case you do not have a good score. A cosigner is a friend or relative with 680 plus score that is willing to cosign your application. I placed a link in the description below for people looking to apply for the term loan. The number 3 option is the fix and flip loan for people with average credit score, which is designed for fix and flip investors who are looking for a short-term, interest-only loan to acquire and improve a property. Unlike the first 2 options, this one will be based on the value of the property, and you'll be required to put down 20 to 25% of the loan amount. Loan amount, $75K to $1 million. Term, 1 year interest only. Credit score requirement, 650. Rates, 8.75 to 9%. The number 4 and last option is the Credit Quick Fix Loan, designed for investors with credit issues seeking an interest-only short-term loan. The approval will mostly be based on the quality of the deal of the hands. You'll be required to put down 20 to 25% of the loan amount. Loan amount, $75K to $2 million. Term, 24 months interest only. Credit requirement, no minimum FICO. Rates, 8.75 to 10%. So guys, this completes a list of 4 loan options you can use to finance your house flipping business. The good news is that you can apply for 3 of the options simultaneously and get the maximum loan amount possible. See you in the next video, and until then, keep smiling.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.